It's certainly not an ideal situation because it's still the criminal code says something. The provincial government says something else.
As of next week, Quebec will begin authorizing early requests for medical assistance in dying, or MAID. Without waiting for Ottawa to amend Canada's criminal code, it will allow certain patients to make advance requests for MAID before they lose the capacity to consent. The federal government has so far refused to amend the criminal code to protect doctors from possible prosecution, but Quebec has decided to protect them through a directive to prosecutors coming into effect on October 30th.
I think it's certainly very important that the federal government proactively moves forward with putting in place the framework to do this, to harmonize the criminal code with that.
Quebec adopted a law in June 2023 permitting people with serious and incurable illnesses like Alzheimer's to ask for MAID months or even years before their condition leaves them unable to consent to the procedure, making them the first province to do so. On Thursday, Quebec's health ministry said it will be ready to meet the demands next week, but that it will take time for the first request to be analyzed and approved. The province ordered the Crown Prosecutor's Office not to charge doctors who choose to participate in the advanced MAID program as long as they comply with the provincial act.
Given the broad consensus, I think it would also be something that would certainly be positive for the federal government to do.
In a statement to City News, the Office of Federal Health Minister Mark Holland said that they are committed to working with Quebec and all provinces and territories to carefully consider next steps.
I would not help a patient to fill out an advance request for MAID in the area of neurocognitive disorders because of all of the problems that I see with this.
Dr. Catherine Ferrier, a physician in the Division of Geriatric Medicine at the McGill University Health Centre, says she has concerns.
Consenting to something with many unknowns, which we do not generally accept in medicine. So then down the road, when they have advanced dementia and they're at home or in a nursing home, somebody's going to come along and they won't remember having made the request. That's the situation we expect. And somebody might tell them, okay, I'm here now to end your life. And that obviously is going to cause distress to many people.
Even if someone is completely incapable of consenting, if they categorically refuse the treatment, the law as it is right now does not allow the doctor or the hospital to go against the categorical refusal unless they obtain the authorization of the tribunal of the court.
People who seek approval for advanced MAID applications will have to meet a number of criteria, including describing in detail the symptoms that healthcare workers will need to witness before administering the procedure.
For the patients who are considering this, there is a significant need for clarity as well.
In Montreal, Alyssia Rubertucci, City News.